Just helping them out, just having some fun with them out here, enjoying ourselves. They're enjoying themselves. It's just a good experience to get to hang out with them and see how they play and get to teach them a few things and they teach us some things. Teach us how to enjoy them, how to have fun. You know, you don't get to interact with the Special Olympics every day, and getting to interact with them, it's a lot of fun.
What kind of drills are you teaching?
I'm doing shooting. I got them playing a little bit of knockout, so it looks like they're having fun. They're getting a little competitive, getting after it, so I'm enjoying it.
This is your 4th year doing the AKA thing. How special is the blessing of these been for you over your time as a game guy?
It's been fun. It's been fun. It has been a blessing. I've got to we got to meet a lot of good people. Got to do a lot of community service, and being from this community, that makes me feel very good.
Can you show how much it means to them? Y'all being out here.
You can. Just getting to interact with them, the hugs, the smiles, getting a laugh with them. It's a lot of fun. I enjoy it. I enjoy being out here, and I hope I can keep doing it even after I'm done.
Especially for you because you grew up in this community and in the area.
Yeah, of course. You know, like I always tell people, when I was a little kid, I used to want to come around the USC athletes, and for whether it be football, baseball, basketball, I used to want to be around them. So I know younger kids and Special Olympics want to be around us, and I just want to give back the same way that those guys who were playing when I was young did to me.